To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I like to make stutter at a certain point. Start by positioning the time marker to where you want to stutter your video. Then make a cut at the time marker's position. Press the right arrow key on your keyboard 2 times to move the time marker forward 2 frames. Then make another cut at the time marker's position. And I'm just going to move the rest of this footage out of the way. While holding down the Alt key, drag your cutout clip to make a duplicate and place it right after your clip. Then drag to select both clips and hold down the Alt key while dragging to duplicate both of them. Keep making duplicates of all your cutout clips until your video stutters for your desired duration. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking stutter effect. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.